Untitled team, my name's Ben and this is
Ruthless.
Awesome. And today we're going to talk about
Muscle fiber types, motor units, and muscular contractions.
good. So we've got a lot to get through, so let's get cracking. So how many different muscle fiber types do we have?
3.
3. Good. And they're called?
Type 1, type 2A, type 2B.
Good. So our type 1, their contraction speed is?
Slow.
Yep. Whereas type 2A
Fast.
and type 2B?
Fast.
So our type 1s with our slow contraction speed have a fatigue rate that is,
Slow.
which means they don't generate much force or speed, but they can keep going forever. And if we look at their size, it's also
Small.
so who does this person look like?
Marathon runner.
Good, marathon runner. Then if we look at our type 2A that are fast, their fatigue rate is,
Intermediate.
and their diameter,
Intermediate.
so these ones would look like a,
Rugby.
good. So a rugby player has to go, stop, go, stop. Awesome. And then our last type is our type,
2B.
so their contraction speed,
Fast.
their fatigue.
Fast.
So this means they crash early. They can't go all day. And their size.
Flat.
So when I'm thinking about this person, I think of a
Weightlifter.
weightlifter. Big, strong, but they can't go for very long before they get fatigued. Alright, coming over here, what do we need for a muscle fiber to contract?
Motor neuron.
A motor neuron. Good. So a motor neuron is a nerve that tells the muscle fiber to go. And then over here we've drawn 3 motor neurons, and these motor neurons attach to
2 muscle fibers.
muscle fibers. Good. So a motor neuron and all the muscle fibers it attaches to is called a
Motor unit.
good. Motor unit is a
Motor neuron and all the muscle fibers are in it.
good to know. Alright. Now here we've got 3 motor units. Can a motor unit innervate or talk to different muscle fiber types? Good. No. So a motor unit only goes to one type. So this muscle fiber, these 4 muscle fibers are big and thick, so they must be,
Type 2B.
whereas these are tiny and thin,
Type 1.
and these ones are somewhere in the middle.
Type 2A.
Good. Alright. When an action potential comes down a motor unit, can it cause one of the fibers to contract, or does it cause all of them? Good. So if an action potential comes down, it's an all or nothing. So all of the muscle fibers will contract. What's that called? One action potential causing the muscle fibers to contract.
Twitch.
Good. So show me a twitch. Good. Just like that. So that's not really that functional. So what happens if we have a twitch, and then before the twitch is finished, we get another twitch?
Twitch summation.
Gorgeous. Twitch summation. But that doesn't look too flash either. So what happens if we get an action potential and a twitch, and then before it even starts to die down, we get another action potential and another one?
Tetanus.
Good. Tetanus. So this type of contraction ends up being nice and smooth. So which type of twitch classification generates the most tension?
Tetanus.
Boom! Good to know. Rightio. There's a couple of ways we can increase the force of a muscle contraction.
Firing frequency and motor unit recruitment.
Good. So what's firing frequency?
When
Action potentials?
potentials go fast.
Good. So, of these 3 motor units, one goes to type A, one goes to type 1, one goes to type 2A, one goes to type 2B. Which of them gets recruited first?
The smallest one, so type 1.
Good. So when we're recruiting motor units, we always recruit the smallest one first. It's called the size principle. Then we go up in size. Cool bananas. So the firing frequency, if we send one action potential down, we get our twitch. If that's not strong enough, firing frequency means we send more action potentials faster. And that's going to mean we're going to pull, 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 or we're going to pull, 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 pull. Yep, firing frequency. What's another way of increasing the strength?
Motor unit recruitment.
So this is where we recruit our motor unit attaching to our type 1, then it's not strong enough. So we recruit the motor unit attaching to,
Type 2A.
and then if that's not strong enough, we'll recruit the next motor unit.
From type 2B.
So that's saying, I pull, I'm not strong enough, so I go, hey Raven, come here quick, come, 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 come! Pull, 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 pull. Motor unit recruitment.